Hello everyone, this is Sai Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Those who want to learn English, please subscribe the channel, share to your friends. Right. So we have started a spoken English sessions. In the previous videos, I have explained you different types of tenses, and we have seen simple present tense in the previous video. Now in this video, you are going to learn about present continuous tense, which is a next tense. Like after simple present, we are going to the present continuous. So what is mean by present continuous? Whenever you want to speak in English or whenever you are trying to have a conversation, so you need to learn a tenses, right? That's what I'm like trying to explain you in the videos. So what you do here in present continuous is you are going to learn when to use present continuous, right? The things, the action which is started and going on at present is called present continuous, or the things which you are doing at present is called present continuous. So for example, I am teaching. What's happening here? The verb form is converted into ing form. So this is what the structure is. Subject, am, is, are. Here I am going to explain you how to use this structure. And V1 plus ing, this is V1. ing form means go, going, come, coming, take, taking, teach, teaching, bring, bringing, drive, driving, work, working. So what's happening here? The verb form is changing to ing form as well as object, right? So this is the structure. Whenever you want to speak in English and when you want to use the present continuous tense, the action which started and going on at presently, to express an action which you are doing right now. So you have to always use this structure. Always you have to go with subject. I means am. I am teaching. We are, you are, they are, right? So we can't say I are, we can't say we am. So this is a structure, this is the rules of in English where you have to use it properly. Once you understand the subject, with subject what the helping verb you have to use. I am running, I am studying, we are having dinner. Having dinner, having, the verb form, ing form, right? You are watching video, right? Watching, watch, watching. You are watching video. They are learning English, learn, ing form, learning English, right? He is watching video. She is teaching English. He is teaching English. She is listening the class. She is listening the class, right? It is, again I am trying to explain you, it we use for the things only, non-living things, right? It is working, it is working. What means, what it means by it? It is a thing. Names, you can take any of the names and you can say is, right? Ramu is reading book, Ramu is reading book. I am using is as well as ing form, read, reading. Are you getting me? So now we will learn some of the examples of present continuous tense, right? So as I explained you, the subject, am, the structure I have explained you, the table, right? So now you are going to learn I am going, right? We are coming, you are talking, and he is teaching, Venkat is preparing. Here again you can enlarge the words. I am going to Mumbai, I am going to Bangalore, we are coming to college, you are talking to him, he is teaching English, he is teaching English in the class, he is teaching English to the students. So what I am doing here? I am taking the present continuous tense as well as I am enlarging the meaning. I am going with the present situation or the sequence, what's happening in that moment. Now, Venkat is preparing. What Venkat is preparing? He might prepare some food, he might prepare some notes, he might prepare anything. So what is the situation here? But you have to understand what Venkat is doing, he is preparing. What he is preparing, according to the situation, you have to add the words, right? But what you are learning here, you are learning here how to use the tense, okay? Now, I am reading novel, I am reading book, it might be anything, I am reading newspaper. anything. I am reading sports news. We can enlarge the meanings. Next, we are bringing vegetables from the market. We are bringing vegetables for you. Right? We are bringing vegetables to make the dinner. So what I am doing here? I am enlarging the sentences according to the situation, and I am using the present continuous tense. Right? So she is driving a car. We are living in Hyderabad. Where you are living? I am living in Hyderabad. Right? Next, I am teaching you. What I am teaching? I might teach anything, but what I am saying here? I am saying what I am teaching, what I am doing. Right? I am teaching you. You are learning English. So what you are learning? You are learning English. Means what? The present continuous. You are learning. You have started learning English. Right? You are learning English. So these are some of the verb forms we can change, changing, complete, completing, depend, depending. I am depending on English videos, or I am depending on you. Right? I am completing my task, and I am changing my mobile. I am changing my city. So what it means? You are presently what you are doing. Next, I have explained to till now about he, she, I, we, you, they. Right? So it is there. It, as I already said, things, non-living things. Right? It is flying. What is flying? Right? What is flying? You can add the next words. It is flying in the sky. What is meant by it? It might be a bird. It might be anything. Right? My aeroplane also. Are you getting me? So now you are going to see how to take the negative sentences. These are the positive sentences. What you are doing it. If you want to talk in a negative way, in a present continuous, what you can do in the simple way? I am not going. We are not coming. You are not talking. He is not teaching. Venkat is not preparing. What I am doing here? I am applying a not. Right? Now let's see the examples of negative sentences as well as the question tags. Now let's go to the negative form of the sentences in the present continuous. What is mean by negative form of sentences? The things you are not doing at the present. If you are doing means present continuous. You are doing it right now. I am teaching. I am not teaching. Means I will be standing silently. So you have to understand what is meant by negative sentences. Same structure you will be having. I am, we, you, are. But what we are doing here, an extra word we are applying, not. Not means no. I am not teaching. Right? I am not writing. I am writing. I am not writing. Are you getting me? Right? So this is the structure of the present continuous tense in a negative form. Now I have written some of the V1 plus ing form verbs which is used in the present continuous tense. Now by seeing this, let's make some sentences. Okay. So you can take any of the structure, any of the format here. Suppose example playing, I take she is not playing. If I add extra words, she is not playing chess. If I add more extra words, she is not playing in the ground. If I add more extra words, she is not playing in the ground at evening. So are you understanding what I am doing? I am using some of the prepositions and I am using other extra words. You will learn the prepositions in the next sessions. After completing tenses, we will go for the parts of speech. After that, we will go for the advanced English. Right. So now, what I did here, she is not playing. We can take any one format. We can apply every one. I am not playing. We are not playing. You are not playing. They are not playing. He is not playing. She is not playing. It is not playing. It won't come. It is not playing means what? Things, right? We can't take it for all the things. Names, you can take any name, right? Syed is not playing. Revant is not playing. Arvind is not playing. What I am doing here? I am taking the alternate names and I am mentioning he is not playing. He is not doing that activity, right? So with one word we have made almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences. You imagine how many sentences you can practice, but just only hardly 5 to 10 or 15 verbs. You can practice tenses very easily. Once you learn the format, ultimately it becomes an easy to understand it and easy to talk. The same reading. I am not reading, we are not reading, you are not reading, they are not reading, he is not reading, so and so, right? Carry on. Fearing, fear means done, fear, right? I am not fearing, I am not fearing you, I am not fearing to write exams, I am not fearing to learn English. This every example I said about I, we can change the flow. He is not fearing to write exams, she is not fearing to learn English, right? The same way, solving any things, she is not solving problem, she is not solving problem. Mixing, adding something, mixing up, we can take in the different situations, right? He is not mixing the food properly. What I am doing here? He is not mixing the food properly. Next, looking. He is looking at you. He is looking at you. He is doing at the present moment. He is doing right now. He is looking at you. Right? I am not looking at you. He is not looking at you. Right? Next, leaking. Leaking means kuch leak ho jana. Right? Suppose a water tap is there, where I am trying to say it is not leaking. It is leaking. Right? Is it leaking? That you will learn in the next phrase. Questioning. How to question in the present continuous. Right? Next, laughing. He is laughing at you. He is not laughing at you. I am laughing at him. I am not laughing at him. Right? So this is the phrases or verbs where you can practice it. Gathering. Gathering means getting all the things together, or the group of people gathered together, standing it together or sitting it together. Right? They are not gathering today for the meeting. Means what? The group of people are not coming to have a meeting. Right? Speaking. She is not speaking properly. She is not speaking properly. Attending. Right? I am not attending the class today. Means what? I am not going to class. Right? I am not going to attend the marriage. Means what? I am not going to attend the marriage. Are you getting me? Next, asking, explaining. Asking means what? To ask something. Right? I am not asking you. Means what? I am not asking you. Right? Next, explaining. He is not explaining properly. I am not explaining properly. She is not explaining properly. They are not explaining properly. So these are the ways. Singing. I am not singing. He is not singing. They are not singing. Right? We can't use it for everything. Right? Thinking. I am not thinking about next video. Which what? I am not thinking about next video. Means I am thinking about this video only. I am concentrating on this video only. I am concentrating to teach present continuous only. Means what? You are not concentrating. Concentrating means you are not concentrating. So this is what the not negative sentences in present continuous. Now let's go to the question tag of the present continuous and end this. So right, now you are going to learn the question form of the present continuous tense. This is very important. Many people confused to learn, and most of the people they won't use in the daily regular use of language. So what we are doing the structure here is am, are, is. After that we are going for subject V1 plus ing object. Suppose example you see, am I saying? I am saying. I am not saying. The same thing what I am doing, I am saying means I am saying. I am not saying. I am not saying. After that, am I saying? Question tag. Right. Next, is it working? Is it going? Is it going? It is not going. Right. So what I am doing? It is not going. Is it going? It is not going. Right. Yes. Yes, it is going. If the answer is yes, yes, it is going. Is he facing? Is he facing what? We can say anything. Is he facing problems? He is not facing problems. Right? He is facing problems. Answer type. Am I speaking English? You are not speaking in English. You are speaking in English. The same this way. Now, am I used here? Am I speaking English? I am speaking English. I am not speaking English. What I am doing here? I am speaking English. Answer. I am not speaking English. What are you doing? This is a question tags. What, how, when, where and why. These are the question tags. You can use it. How you can use it? How are you writing? How are you doing? How are you now? So what is happening here? How are you now? It won't come in the present continuous. You can go for what are you writing? How are you writing? When are you writing? Where are you writing? Why are you writing? Right. Next. Are they playing chess? They are playing chess. They are not playing chess. This is the question form of present continuous. This is the positive sentence of the present continuous. This is a negative sentence of the present continuous. As I taught you, you are using are they and they are not. Positive sentence, they are. Negative sentence, they are not. Are they playing cricket? Are they playing cricket? They are playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. Are they listening you? Or is he listening you? He is listening you. He is not listening you. So this is the present continuous tense. In the next video, you are going to see the present perfect tense. In the meantime, subscribe the channel and share the video. And after completing the tenses, you are going to learn parts of speech. After that, we are going for the basic English and the advanced English differences. And we are going to learn lots of things in the English stuff. Don't miss. Subscribe the channel.